It's pancake day. Why can't it just be a Tuesday? There's always a day. I gotta cook. There's a day. It's a day. It's a day. I just wish it were just Tuesday because I wouldn't cook. But anyway, pancake day, gotta be easy, gotta be quick, and it is. Don't worry about all the measurements. I'm gonna break it down like a fraction for you. Here we go. Self-raising flour, get your favorite mug. Mine's Vegas, of course. Heaping. It should be over the top. Just like that, in. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of protein powder. 1 in. A pinch of salt, not a punch. Same mug. If you're making mug pancakes, 1. We need 1. I'm using almond milk. Did I already say that? I'm using almond milk. I didn't say that. 1 in. Woo! Probably could have used a bigger bowl, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? It's Joe Pesci Casino. What are you gonna do? 1 egg in, mix it. The beauty is you can use this for pancakes. You can also make crepes. We would just add a little bit more almond milk and make it a little bit thinner. Look, see? Good. Drips off. Not too thick, not too thin. I'm gonna add some blueberries. An equal amount of blueberries in each pancake. Okay, let's cook. Dun, 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 dun. Well, let's get some in. 1, 2. Look how quickly they're rising with that self-raising flour. So we're watching for bubbles. We want to see bubbles. Oh, Andrew! I missed. Use my left. There you go. That's better. We're gonna add the blueberries on the next batch. Golden. Let's take those out. We're gonna start stacking. Blueberries. Equal amount of blueberries in each pancake, okay? Is anyone counting how many blueberries I'm putting in? These are like the worst happy faces because I'm miserable. Just wait until you see some air bubbles in there and then we'll flip them. They should be golden brown. Quick, over. Not on my game today flipping. There we go. How about that? Quick, easy pancakes. I made them using a mug to make my fraction. Banana, blueberry pancakes. Spectacular. Let's go. With some protein powder in there. I'm going for blueberry. Let's see if I go this way and this way. I'll cut out a great triangle. You can see right inside. Look. Look at the blueberries. Equal amount of blueberries. Oh yeah. Boom! They're freaking spectacular. I'm gonna have some more. Wait. Not too many. No more. I can't. This is it.